Hi guys. So basically we're gonna vlog our day. Me and out my trio. The trio.
Don't do it.
Hi. What is up guys? It's the triple trio. Back in action. Anyways, so we are
bombastic side eye.
gonna go on a walk today with my dad. Anyways, so we're gonna go hike, maybe some breakfast, hopefully. Oh, but we got done already. Anyways, so yeah, I will see you when we get to the place. Woke up in that mode again. Yeah. Please don't call my phone. They're like idiots. Thanks, can we pause? The drummer, mama, when my girls in the back, drummer. Random tunnels are so fun. Explore. If I walk down here, nah man, I'm cooked, brother. Was a 10 out of 10.
What it's like. Oh well.
God, please, no! 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 No!
I wanna, oh no, yeah. Whoa.
The summary system here. What did you say? I just heard you call him. I just heard a slave call another person.
I just heard a slave call another slave a slave. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is a slave, and he called her a slave. Like, where does he get off saying that? Because I'm white.
Okay guys, so now I'm so tired of this walk. This walk is killing me. Who and the rest. Did you see that?
Was a 10 out of 10.
No, I didn't see it. Oh no, why am I so white? Whoa. You went.
Don't do it.
Laugh again.
Whoa.
Get in. That's your home.
Don't bite.
I just saw that big black thing.
is crazy.
That big black dog.
Okay, it's a cute dog. You in
I'm not.
Racist.
you racist.
Big black thing. What did you mean by that?
Cute dogs. Can you not walk in front of me?
She wants white dog.
Anyone else's back paining?
Anyway guys, ratings on the walk.
I give it a 8 out of 10 just because I was depressed and it made me a bit less depressed. So,
Phoebe, ratings on the walkies.
A 7.
Reasons.
My feet are hurting. I'm sweating.
how is that your reason?
I'm sweating.
I'm sweating.
My stomach is sore.
Okay, because you're hungry.
Wait,
My ratings on this walkings is
Walking.
yes. I give it a 7. Because I'm really tired guys. And no, a 7. And My foot for this walk. Yes, it's my fault, but it's not the right walk. It's not the right foot. I mean, I'm so tired about this walk. Shut up.
Stomach is so sore.
Anyways, we are basically done vlogging the walk. And we're gonna vlog when we eat.
Yeah.
We're gonna go eat now.
Okay.
The mall now, and we're gonna get something light to eat.
Yes, and then later we're gonna go into town and get masala Gatsby.
Let's go snatch. You want us to get some stuff?
Come on.
No.
There's no way.
It's a private bathroom.
From here, not from Okay, Boomer. Been 1, 2, 3 times too much.
From the bathroom. XG. Guys, I have an idea. Let's go eat. Shoes. No, I don't like that.
Putting on shoes. Yeah.
7, yeah.
Ooh, dogs. Just zoom into that. Zoom into the dogs.
Bombastic side eye.
Unfit niggas. So it is. I can only record. So it is currently past 11, and it is a month later from the vlog that we were making. We were really on and off with the editing and stuff like that, but that's not your problem.
Yeah.
The whole point is this is our outro.
And Kay is not here.
Kay's not here, so we're mourning her.
Don't worry, we'll put a
loss.
picture up here. We
Yeah.
miss her very much.
Miss her very much. We miss you guys. Anyways, this is our outro. Please like our video,
And
subscribe, and put on your
comment.
put on your notifications, and then comment.
comment.
Okay.